How to get your Roblox Blox Fruits codes in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. Well, I'm going to be sharing a couple of active Blox Fruit codes in this video, and I'll also let you know where you can get it. The first is going to be Kit Gaming, KITTGAMING for 2x EXP boost. There's also sub to Kit Gaming, sub to GamerBot underscore EXP1, sub to Uncle Kizaru, sub to Noob Master 123. These all are working. You can pause the video and simply go ahead and check it if you want to. And how can you go ahead and find it? So generally, you can simply go ahead and find it on the official Twitter of Blox Fruits. There's also official Discord server, discord.gg/Blox Fruits, and there's also official YouTube and updates in their Discord. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.